the range equal maximum subtracted by minimum, then the range will be the sum measure of distributions. Question number 2. If 3xy equal 10, then x directly with what? We can here in this relation divided by 3y, then x will be 10 over 3y, and then x, we will find this relation between x and y various relations, and x and 1 over y direct relation. Choose letter D. Question number 3. If x power 2 equal set of, first we have this order 3k minus 4 and k, and y equal set of 1 and 7, which of the following belong to x Cartesian product with y? Okay, we have x2, it's meaning x multiplication Cartesian by itself, it will be 3k minus 4 and k. And then this number 3k minus 4 will belong to set of x, and k belong to set of x, and y equal 1 and 7. You won't find which of the following represent to the Cartesian product between x and y. Okay, first look at with me about this information. X power 2 or x2, it's meaning x product by x equal set of 3k minus 4 and k, it's order, then 3k minus 4 belonging to x and k belonging to x, and he give us 1 point, it's meaning what? X has 3k minus 4 and k, then it's meaning two numbers here equality, because if we have 1 and 1, then x2 it will be 1 and 1, then 3k minus 4 it will be k, and then 3k minus k it will be 2k equal 4. Moved k here from 3k to k, and negative 4 will be positive, and then divided by 2, then k equal 2. We found here the value of k equal 2. Then you can find the order here. Put 2 here, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 4 it will be 2. And put 2 here. Then x will be a set of 2. X will be a set of 2. Okay, and we have in this example the product between x and y. He gives us y equal 1 and 7. Y equals set of 1 and 7. Okay, we have x and y. He tells us which of the following belong to x product, Cartesian product with y. We have 1 and 2 or 2 and 1. He won't find x product by y. We will choose 2 and 1. The result will be, if you won't find the Cartesian product between x and y, we can write 2 and 1 and 2 and 7. Then we will choose 2 and 1, choose letter C. The result here will be letter C about this example. Understood? First step, we have 3k minus 4 equal k, then k will be equal 2, and then put k equal 2 here. Then the first projection will be 2 and second projection 2 here. Then the set of x will be set of 2 and y equals set of 1 and 7. The Cartesian product between them, set of 2 and 1 and 2 and 7. Next question, letter B. Calculate the mean and standard deviation of the following data. You know, next question, we can find x bar, the first step, the sum of all values divided by the number of the values, and then we can draw the table x and x subtract x bar, and here x minus x bar all power 2. You can solve this example and then find sigma equal sum of x subtract x power 2 subtract by all power 2, sum of them here, divided the number of element, okay, because we have element in x and x minus x bar, divided the number of element here. You can find sigma reverse to standard division. Okay, you can solve this example. Okay, it's very easy for you. Okay, next question, number 2. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, if f of x equal 3x divided by 5, and we have m divided by n equal 9, you want to find f of m plus f of n. Okay, we can solve this example. We have f of m from this relation, but x equal m here, then f of m, it will be 3m divided 5. Okay, it's plus. Okay, it's a plus. Understood? And we have f of n equal, but in here it will be 3n plus 5. The result here 3n plus 5. He won't find what here? He won't find f of m plus f of n. You can add them. 3m plus 5 plus 3n plus 5. 3m plus 3n. He give us this information. We can write 3 height common factor between two terms. The result will be 3 times m plus n in brackets, and 9 plus 5, it will be 14, and then put m plus n equal 9 in this relation. 3 times m plus n, we have here m plus n was equal what? 9. Then 3 times 9 plus 15, the result will be 3 times 9 plus 15. 3 times 9 will be 27. 27 plus 19, 9 plus 7, 16, 6 and the carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, the result will be 46. The result here will be 46. Or he gives us m plus n equal 9, 3 times 9, 27, 27 plus 15, we have here 9, 9, it was 9 plus 5, 14, right here 14, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 and the carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4, the result will be, okay, you can solve this example with me again. We have 3 outside. If I see, it was 5, not 9, 5, 3 plus, it was 5, again. You know the steps, but this example, we have f of m plus f of n, put f of m again, it will be 3m plus 5, and here 3n plus 5, it was 5, not 9, okay? And then write 3 height common factor between two numbers, 3 here, and the remainder m plus n, and 5 plus 5, it will be 10. 3 times m plus n, 3 times 9 will be 27 plus 10. The result will be 37. Choose letter D. Okay. Again, in this example, we have f of x equal 3x plus 5, and we have m plus n equal 9. Then f of m plus f of n, we can find f of m and f of n, and then add them. Write 3 outside between two terms here has common factor. The remainder m plus n in parentheses plus 5 plus 5 equal 10. Cancel m plus n and write 9. 3 times 9 it will be 27. 27 plus 10 it will be 37. Okay, next question. If A and B and C are in proportion that A over E power 2 over P power 2 equal what? We have A and B and C. Okay, question number 2. A over P equal P over C equal constant here M, and M the constant not equal 0. Okay, then A will be Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. Then the ratio between E power 2 over P power 2, write A here, Cm power 2 all power 2 over Cm power 2. C power 2 will be C power 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. C power 2 will be C power 2. M power 2, we can cancel them, and M power 4 divide M power 2 it will be M power 2. It's the result about this example. And M power 2 here, you want to find the ratio between E power 2 and B power 2. M power 2 here, it will be here any constant here, E over P equal B over C, and D equal Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. You want to find the ratio between E power 2 and P power 2. Okay, E power 2 over P power 2 equal what here? هل E over C or E over B or C over E? Okay, we can find the result here about E power 2 over P power 2. It will be P power 2 over C power 2, because E over B was equal P over C, then E power 2 over B power 2, it will be P power 2 over C power 2. This result we haven't here, so we must know the result here about E power 2 over P power 2. It will be C power 2, M power 2, and then we will choose what? Look at with letter E here. He give us E over C. E over C, E equal Cm power 2 over C. You can cancel C by C, then the result will be M power 2. It's exactly number, then the result will be E over C. Again, this example is very important. Okay, he give us information. He tell us A, B, C are proportional. Then E power 2 over B power 2, we can find E power 2 power 2 by this result. E over B equal B over C equal M. Then A equal PM or Cm power 2 and B equal Cm. And then he want to find what? The ratio between A power 2 and B power 2. Put A, Cm power 2 and B equal Cm and distribute the power. Here C power 2 M power 4 and here C power 2 M power 2. Cancel C power 2 by C power 2. M power 4 divided by M power 2 to be M power 2. And then you can choose letter A. Why? Because letter A we have the ratio between A and C. A was Cm power 2 and C here cancel C by C, M power 2, the result will be M power 2, then the result will be letter A. Okay, you must study this example, very important with your new questions. Okay, next question number 3. If f of x was equal m power 2 plus 3x power n minus 5 polynomial in second degree, then m here will be 2, the power here of n was 2, and we have again, write this example again, in x power 2 we have this function here again, f of x. It's not clear with me, okay? Pay attention. In x power 2 plus 3x power n minus 5. It's second degree. It's meaning n here will be equal 1. Okay, second degree. You want to find what polynomial? It's meaning this function we have a lot of terms, and in second degree, then n will be equal 1, or n we can write in here 1. Or write n equal 2. We can write 2 here and 2 here. We have two solutions. But if we put n equal 0, No, not equal 0, because if we put 0 it will be cancelled, then it will be 1. So n not equal 0, but we have 1 and 2. And if we put n equals 3, no, n not equal 3, because he tells us in the example the polynomial in the second degree, then n will be 1 and 2, then the solution set will be 1 and 2. Choose letter C. Okay. Question 8, prove that x plus y over y plus z equal over a over b. We have x over a minus b plus c, plus here b subtracted by c plus a. If we have this information, we have third rational quality c minus a plus b. Prove that you want to find x plus y over y plus z equal a over b. You want to prove that. Okay. To prove that x plus y, you must add numerator by numerator and numerator. Then the first ratio add to first step. We will add first ratio to add to second ratio. Okay, add them. The result will be x plus y over a plus a, it will be 2a, and negative b plus b 0, c plus negative c 0. Then the result will be x plus y over 2a equal each of ratio. And it's relation number 1. And then we will add y plus z. We have z here, it was z. We will second add second ratio. The first step add second ratio to third ratio. We will add them, and then we can add them. Y plus z, it will be y plus z, and here p plus p, it will be 2p, and negative c plus c 0, a plus negative a 0. Then the result will be each of ratio, or any one of the ratio. From 1 and 2, then this relation will be equal to this relation. Then we can write x plus y over 2a will be equal y plus z over 2b, and then cancel 2 by 2. Then we can write x plus y over a, it will be y plus z over b. The second relation, it will be equality. Okay, now question number 3, letter A. We have x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 10, and R is the relation on x where R means A is multiple of B. Okay, you can relation A multiple of B, A multiple of B. It's meaning A can divide it by B. We have x by itself. Okay, 4 multiple by 2 and 2 multiple by 1. Okay, 4 multiples of 1. We will choose 4 divided by 2 and 1, and 2 can divide it by 1, and 2 can divide it by itself, and we have 4 can divide it by itself, and 1 and 2 can divide it by 1 and itself. 6 can divide it by 1, 6 multiple of 2, and 6 multiple by itself, and then 10 multiple of 1, and 10 multiple of 2 can divide it by 2, and 10 multiple by itself. Okay, you can draw diagram, Cartesian diagram. It's not a function. Okay, we have all numbers 1, 2, 4, 6 and 10, and then you can draw the arrow here from 1 to all numbers. 2 can divide it by 1, 1 can divide it by 1. We have 1 and 1. because 1 multiples of itself, it's meaning 1 can divide it by itself, and 4 can divide it by itself, 2 divided by itself, okay, 2 to 1 and 1 and 1, 6 can divide it by 1, 10 can divide it by 1, 4 can divide it by 1, 2 by itself, 6 by itself, 10 by itself, and then complete 10, 2, and 6 to 6, 6 can divide it by 1, 6 divided by 2, 6 can divide it by itself, 10 can divide it by 5. Okay, you can complete all the it not function, not a function, because each element in X has a lot of image. Each element in X hasn't one image, in X here. Okay, it's not a function. And we can draw Cartesian diagram. With our Cartesian diagram, you can draw here vertical and put X element here, 1, 2, 4, 6 and 10, and then 1, 2, 4, 6 and 10, and 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 is 2, 2 is 4, 2 is 6, 2 is 10, 4 by 1, by 2, by itself, 1, 2, 4, 6 here and 10, and last one, 10 was its 1, 2 and itself. Next question, if A over B equal 2 over 3 equal here A over B equal 2 over 3 and A over C equal 3 over 5, and they give us A plus B plus C was equal 75. Okay, he give us this information here, B over B equal 2 over 3 and A over C equal 3 over 5. Okay, you can use this property such that ratio between A, B and C, with a ratio here 2 to 3, A to B to 3 and A to C 3 to 5. A 2